how I made $170 using macro time. So this is the trade here. First things first, liquidity. We have an unfilled hourly gap above. This is an inefficiency which the market likes to fill. It was created during the bearish movement this morning, and coming into the entry now, we have this 1 minute inverse fair value gap. So the 1 minute fair value gap was created on the way down here. We inverse it back up with another fair value gap, which creates a BPR, a balanced price range, which price likes to fill. So my entry was right after this candle close here. Good momentum, good close, great inverse, and it is just at the start of macro, which macro likes to accelerate price to liquidity, which it had exactly done here. We came up, I did not go break even because there was no real good break even point here, to be honest, and it would have been a break even play because the BPR wanted to be filled. We came back down, mitigated the BPR, and came up to full TP.